Women empowerment. Women empowerment is a process of empowering women. Empowerment can be defined in many ways. However, when talking about women empowerment, empowerment means accepting and allowing the people who are on the other side of the decision making process into it. Women empowerment is the most crucial point to be noted for overall development of the society. This puts a strong emphasis on participation in political structure and formal decision making and in the economic sphere, on the ability to obtain an income that enables the participation in economic decision making. Empowerment is the process that creates the power in individual over their own lives, society and their own community. People are empowered if they have an access to opportunity without any limitation or restriction, such as in education, profession and in their way of life. Feeling entitled to make their own decision create a sense of empowerment. Empowerment includes the action of raising the status of women through education, raising awareness, literacy, training and also give training related to self-defense. Women's empowerment is all about allowing women to make self-determining decisions through different problems in society. Women empowerment has become a significant topic of discussion in development and economic. It also points out the approaches regarding other tribalized gender in the particular political or social context. Women's economic empowerment refers to the ability for a woman to enjoy their own right to control and benefit from the resources, assets, income and their own time, as well as the ability to manage risks and improve the economic status and the well-being.